Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And remember this book, it's a handbook, and it's chock full of radio and TV information, uh, product reviews and the latest radios and stuff, and listings. Oh, it's got like 600 pages of listings of transmissions throughout the world. And about a year ago, I reported about this time that the new version was out, 2022, but it was going to be the last publication. And then later on in the year, there was speculation that another company might pick this up and continue it. Well, I just found out that that is going to happen. So now, Universal Radio Incorporated, that's a place that sells radios and books and stuff like that, that they were on the verge of shutting down, but they got somebody to help them out, and now they're staying alive, and they're going to sell the 2023 edition of the World Radio TV Handbook, or WRTH. And it's going to be bigger. See this? It was 550 pages. This publication this year, 848. Oh my gosh. And it's chock full of information about radios and TVs and broadcasts. Unbelievable. And it's going to be published now by Radio Data Center of Germany. And it says it's going to be printed in England. Expected to be out this month. Yeah, this month. And Universal Radios are accepting orders. So get your order in so you don't miss out. This is a great source of information, even today. And the sources of information are shrinking. There have been several other good publications that are now gone. This one is hanging in there. There's going to be a 77th edition. Get yours and have a great day. Bye-bye.